OpenAI just filed the biggest IPO in the history of the stock market, and nobody outside of Wall Street is talking about what this actually means for you. On June 8th, they slid a confidential draft prospectus to the SEC. Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and JPMorgan Chase are running the deal. Target valuation, $1 trillion. Not $800 billion, not $900 billion. Sam Altman has told his own bankers that anything below $1 trillion is a non-starter. If it prices there, it will be the largest tech IPO of all time by a massive margin. And it lands sometime between this fall and 2027. Right now this weekend, the entire investing world is repositioning around this event. If you understand what is happening, you can be on the right side of the biggest wealth transfer in modern market history. If you do not, you are going to watch other people get rich again and wonder why you missed it. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what OpenAI filed, what the numbers actually say, and the specific plays you can make this week to profit from the biggest IPO in history. If you are new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a daily AI update. Let us get into it. Here's what the S1 actually contains, based on reporting from Reuters, the Wall Street Journal, the New York Times, and leaked docs that hit the Financial Times last month. Revenue. OpenAI is generating roughly $25 billion in annualized revenue as of Q2 2026. $2 billion a month. That is up from $13 billion in all of last year. So the growth rate is real. But look at the other side of the ledger. $14 billion projected net loss this year. $27 billion in annual cash burn. $600 billion in committed infrastructure spend through 2030 for Stargate and compute contracts. They are burning $1.60 for every dollar of revenue. And they are asking public markets to hand them a $1 trillion valuation on top of that. The ownership table is even more interesting. Microsoft owns 26.79%, worth around $228 billion at the current mark.
The OpenAI Foundation owns 25.8%, SoftBank 11.66%, Amazon 4.66%, Nvidia 3.47%. Current and former employees together own about 20%. When this thing lists, employees are cashing out billions. And this is the thing nobody is saying loudly. Anthropic already beat them to the filing. Anthropic filed on June 1st, 1 week before OpenAI, adding $965 billion valuation with Q2 revenue of $10.9 billion. That is more than double their Q1 number. And Anthropic is expected to list on NASDAQ in October, ahead of OpenAI. So we now have two of the most watched companies in history racing to the public markets in the same 6-month window. Now here's the part that matters. This is not just a story to watch. This is a setup with actual money on the table for regular people. Play number 1, pre-IPO secondary shares. Hiive, Caplight, and Allocations are 3 platforms that facilitate OpenAI secondary transactions for accredited investors. NASDAQ Private Market listed OpenAI shares at $673 a share as of May 22nd. If you are an accredited investor with at least $1 million in net worth or $200,000 in annual income, you can position now before the S1 goes public. Historical pattern. Companies that IPO after private valuations this high frequently see a first-day pop of 30 to 50%. Even a modest gain on a $1 trillion float is life-changing. Play number 2, public market proxies. Microsoft is the cheapest way to own OpenAI without touching a broker. 26.79% of a $1 trillion company sitting inside a ticker you can buy in your Roth IRA. Nvidia is the other side of the trade because every dollar OpenAI spends on infrastructure flows through Nvidia. CRWV, Vertev, and Constellation Energy are the pure-play AI infrastructure names that will move on every OpenAI IPO headline. Play number 3, build an AI IPO audience right now. The single best asymmetric bet is not financial, it is attention. Search volume for OpenAI IPO has gone parabolic.
Every retail investor, every family office, every corporate treasurer is going to be Googling this in the next 90 days. If you become a trusted source of clear analysis in this window, you build an audience that compounds for a decade. Newsletter, YouTube channel, LinkedIn thread, Twitter feed. Pick a lane and start posting today. Drop a comment below. How are you using AI to make money right now? I read every one. Here is the practical playbook. If you are accredited, open an account on Hiive today. Look at current bids and asks. Do not overpay. The secondary market has been softening because professional investors are scrutinizing the burn rate. Buy at or below the private valuation, not above. If you are not accredited, allocate a small percentage of your portfolio to Microsoft and Nvidia this week. Not because they are cheap, they are not, but because you want exposure to the 2 names that will move on every OpenAI headline between now and the pricing date. Set a Google alert for OpenAI S1. When the public S1 drops 15 days before the roadshow, the entire narrative accelerates. That is your window to act. Second thing to watch, Anthropic pricing. Because Anthropic lists first, its debut sets the tone for the entire AI IPO market. If Anthropic pops 30% on day one, OpenAI can push for $1 trillion. If it flops, expect a delay. Third thing, watch the government stake conversation. The Financial Times reported that the U.S. government has floated taking a 5% stake in OpenAI worth roughly $43 billion. That deal, if it happens, changes the entire risk profile of the equity. Here is your daily life hack. Today, go to Polymarket.com and look at the OpenAI IPO by date market. Prediction markets are typically ahead of mainstream media by weeks. The current odds are pricing a 50% chance of a March 2027 listing. That number will move every week between now and the pricing. Trade it or follow it, but let it inform your thinking. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. We drop AI Alpha every single day. See you tomorrow.